Hello. So I purchased some I hope good charger, phone charger. It has 65 watts at maximum. It has PD 20 watts, quick charge 30, power delivery PD 15 watts, and 2 USB jack with 3.1 watts ampere. Sorry, I have this 11 Lite 5G new edition, which came with 3 watts charger, and on the 5 volts it has 3 amp. Okay, and this is original cable, and we're gonna test this charger. Let's see. So it has just one blue LED light in here on the middle. So we test on the green jack. So it has this 5.1 volts, and let's rise. This is it can put maximum 3 amp on the charger. Okay, so on 5 volts cannot do more than 2.1. Yes, 2.1 for safety. Okay, and let's test another USB, but this one I think it's similar. Yeah, 2.1 for safety. And let's plug in quick charge 30. And let's see. Here it has have more than 5.2 volts. And let's see. Okay, here it has 2.5 for safety reason, 2.4. So it's tiny below specification. Yeah, let's take out and let's see how it's doing at power delivery. So we use this 2 USB-C cable. Is very good. It's an green cable. I'll put a link in the description. It can support 100 watts, and I tested with some other phone because my phone only can 3 watts, and we test on the power delivery 20 and in here, and let's see. TypeC in, so this okay, and let's go through the okay. Protocol detection. So it say it is 1.8 watts and not capable of 20 watts, 20 volts, which is deceiving, very deceiving. Let's put in another USB-C PD. Okay, so 1.5 PD watts is not working. So 1.8 watts, sorry, 1.8 watts and 20 volts, no, which is rubbish. You see, 5 volts okay, 9 volts okay, 12 volts okay, but 20 volts no. Okay, so let's test in here. So we have 400 milliamp, 1 amp, 2, 3, and this is maximum what my kit can put, 3.2 amp. It's only he can 3.2 amp only on PD charger, on USB-C jack. Let's test another one because I buy two, also 1.8 watts and no 20 volts. It says 5, 9, 12 and 1.5 volts. And let's see how is charging my phone. (49) and quick charge. This is good. Fast charging 49 and we have 50. Okay, fast charging 50. So it's good for phone. It's very good. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.